Hello, artists! Are you ready to draw a number block who's a superhero? To begin, you'll need a piece of paper, a pink pen, a dark red pen, and a black pen. All those colours means we're going to draw Numberblock 8, also known as Octoblock.
Octoblock draw!
Wow! Great job, Octoblock! We'll start by drawing Octoblock's body. Guess how many blocks he has?
8!
That's right! We'll draw Octoblock standing 2 blocks wide and 4 blocks tall. Let's get started drawing the first block with our black pens. Each block is a square, so there are 4 sides and they're all the same length. Let's draw 1 across, 1 down, 1 back across, and up back to where you started. Octoblock has 8 blocks, so we need 7 more blocks in 2 columns that are 4 blocks tall.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blocks.
Excellent! Next, we need to add Octoblock's 8 tentacles. Or are they legs? We'll draw a tentacle like a very bendy sausage. It goes up and around and back down again. We need to do this 2 more times on the left and 3 more times on the right. Then we draw 2 flatter sausages on the bottom 2 blocks. Octoblock's tentacles have sticky suckers on them, so let's add 4 little circles to each tentacle.
Look at me! Yes! Whoa! This is great!
You can't really see the dots on the bottom 2 arms, so we'll draw them sticking out slightly at the bottom, like little rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 on one tentacle, and 4 on the other tentacle too. Next, we'll draw Octoblock's face. His eyes are 2 big circles on the top 2 blocks. So we'll draw 1 circle and add 2 lines at the bottom and top for his eyelids. But the eyes aren't finished till we've drawn a circle inside them. Now do the same for the other eye. So we're going to draw a line that starts on the left side of Octoblock's eyes and curves over the top and bottom of each of his eyes, like this. Now we can add the triangle shapes on the outside of Octoblock's glasses. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do the same on the other side. That's 8 triangle shapes altogether. Next, let's draw his nice smiley mouth just underneath, with a smaller smiley shape inside it. Excellent drawing! Now we need to give Octoblock some colour. Take your pink pen and your other colouring pens and give Octoblock some heroic colours. Be careful to stay inside the lines.
Ooh! Wow!
But I think there's something missing. Ah, yes! Octoblock's numbering! Am I holding my pen the right way? 2 fingers and 1 thumb. That's the way that writing's done.
An S to start, looking great. Loop back up, and there's your 8.
Thanks, Octoblock. An S to start, looking great. Loop back up and there's your 8. And now with your left hand. An S to start, looking great. Loop back up and there's your 8. Yes, 8. Octoblock's a hero. He can stand very tall or really, really wide when he wants to crawl. Tall, crawl, tall, crawl, tall, crawl. Are you getting dizzy? Careful you don't fall! Well, that's a little embarrassing.